Benefit Cosmetics free duffel bag and new arrivals. Attention all beauty lovers. Benefit Cosmetics is offering a deal you don't want to miss out on. Get a free plaid duffel bag and free shipping when you spend $100 or more. Just use the code on the go at checkout. But that's not all that's new at Benefit. They have also launched limited edition lip balms and mini bronzer and blush duos. Keep reading to find out more about these exciting new arrivals. First up, we have Benefit Suns Up Butter Balm Moisturizing Lip Balms. These limited edition lip balms come in 4 gorgeous shades and moisturize, condition, and nourish lips for up to 12 hours. Plus, they feel buttery and smooth on the lips. Say goodbye to dry and chapped lips with these amazing lip balms from Benefit. Next, we have not one, but 2 mini bronzer and blush duos from Benefit. The Hoola Desert Retreat Mini Light Matte Bronzer and Mini Neutral Rose Blush is perfect for those who love a warm, sun-kissed glow. It features fan-favorite Hoola Caramel Bronzer and Terra Blush, and it's super easy and portable for an on-the-go glow. The Hoola Secret Oasis Mini Light Matte Bronzer and Mini Neutral Rose Blush, on the other hand, is ideal for those who prefer a more subtle, natural look. It features fan-favorite Hoola Light Bronzer and Willa Blush, and it's also easy and portable for an on-the-go glow. And last but not least, don't forget about the free plaid duffel bag and free shipping with orders over $100. The duffel bag is not only stylish but also practical for carrying all your beauty essentials. Use code ONTHEGO at checkout to score this amazing deal. But act fast because this offer is only valid through May 31, 2023, at 11:59 p.m. PST or while supplies last. Benefit Cosmetics has done it again with their amazing new arrivals. From the limited edition lip balms to the mini bronzer and blush duos, there's something for everyone. And don't forget about the free plaid duffel bag and free shipping offer with orders over $100. It's the perfect time to stock up on your favorite Benefit products and try out some new ones. So head on over to their website and start shopping now. Happy shopping!